Alright, how's it going? This is the bottom of the 84 Toyota pickup. Start with the front axle. We got the V6 brakes that are a little bit larger, the FJ80 rotors. It's got bearings and seals and everything. All brand new, Koyo, all OEM. It's got the polyurethane wiper upgrade kit, backing plate eliminator kit. It's got Bilstein 5100 shocks, stainless lines all the way around, all four corners for the brakes. It's got the new style Toyota drain and fill plugs so you don't strip them out because the original ones are a pain. New pinion seals. It's got a 2-inch spring lift and the shocks are adjusted for that. Really clean California truck, no real rust, few minimal surface spots, but nothing major, no holes. Passes smog, no problem. Had both front and rear drive lines balanced. New output shaft seals for the transfer case. Everything's been painted. It's got new body mounts, all polyurethane body mounts. It's got polyurethane, new polyurethane in the springs. It's got a 2 1/4 inch exhaust that I did. It's all mandrel bent, all custom. Spray painted with a high temp black paint. Keep it looking nice for a while. Onto the back, it's got the 2-inch spring lift and shackles. It's also got the 5100s, Bilstein. It's got the stainless brake lines. It also has the differential breather kit that I made so that you can go through the water crossings without sucking any water into the diff. It's also got one in the front as well. Same style. New brakes in the rear as well. It's got new wheel cylinders, new pads, wheel bearings and seals, all Toyota. And then the original spare. It's got an original spare with the matching wheel.